Hello friends, the result season is on. Banks, as you know, has more than 30% of weightage in the Nifty. Therefore, today we will be talking of the important banks where the results have come. Friends, one thing I would like to tell you today, once again rather, that 8 out of 10 stocks fall after the results are declared. What is the best option is that you just exit from the stock or sell the stock one day before the results are out. By and large, if the banks or the companies, they give their feedback almost a month in advance that how they are going to perform. Nevertheless, the results speak the actual number. So friends, let us start today with the banking sector as such. Here if you see, I have taken sale quarter to quarter, that means quarter 3, quarter 2, YOY, quarter 3, quarter 2, YOY, and net profit this quarter, and YOY means the Q3 quarter of 2022, right? So let's go ahead and check them all at a time. Friends, if you see this HDFC Bank has given a very phenomenal results this time. I have written HDFC, but it is bank because we are talking today only of banks. You can see here, fine. So HDFC has given very phenomenal results. If you see YOY, the operating profit is as high as 40%. And if you see the net profit YOY, last year net profit was minus, this time in Q3 it is plus 5%. So the result, the market actually is dancing with the HDFC Bank, and you also take please note of it. Similarly, if you see ICICI Bank, YOY means in last 12 months the operating profit has grown by 38%, and this quarter it has grown by 11%. RBL Bank has grown by 41%, whooping 41%. But friends, here one thing you have to understand, that this bank is a highly volatile bank. Only if you are a skilled trader, then only you touch it, otherwise it moves faster than Nifty. Fine. If you see RBL Bank quarter to quarter profit, there is only 1%. Although YOY 15% I will say is okay. Sales revenue up and down, it happens, nothing, they do not count as much. Then we see other banks also. Here if you see the AU small bank, it has grown by 39% operating profit YOY, and this quarter Q3 Q4 growth is 7%, not bad. And if you see the net profit from 15% last year, it has become 16%, very good performance. Kotak Bank, if you see, the operating profit is 23% now. You see, as compared to other banks, if you notice, this Kotak Bank is little, the performance is not as good as HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, or even for that matter AU small bank. But okay, the YOY growth is still here 23%, and quarter to quarter is 11%, it is good. And if you see here, the net profit also is 26%, 25%, fantastic, no questions asked. Now you see here friends, year to year operating profit is 45%, beautiful, just beautiful. And the net profit from 17% YOY, it has jumped to 22%. I am told that this is almost last about 10-12 performances, quarter performances, this is the best. So Axis Bank has done very well. And IndusInd Bank, YOY it is 17%, now it is 12%, and even the operating profit from YOY is 52%. Fine, but there is something really wrong with the sales this time, and even for that matter in the operating profit. Fine, that is why that there is a serious sales decline. Okay, and here also you see, if the net profit had grown much, then things would have been different, but the market did not like it, and IndusInd Bank therefore is taking a dip. And in my rating also, this is not good because there is a serious decline in the sales here. IDFC Bank, you see here the operating profit YOY 57%, classic. At the same time, you see the YOY net profit was 5%, which has come to 9%. The performance of IDFC Bank is very good. Even when you say the sales revenue, quarter to quarter growth is 89%. So by all standards, this IDFC Bank is very good. But somehow, my feeling is that this IDFC Bank, like RBL Bank, it does not move very strongly. And rest you see, if you are a skilled person, then take it up. This is not even priced high. Then here we have two banks here, the Punjab and Sindh Bank and BOI. The results are very good. Everything is good with them. I don't think there is any discrepancy. They have performed very well. YOY net profit you see 15 to 17%. BOI is not that good. But here you see PSB Bank, YOY operating profit, fantastic. Okay, so these banks which are government banks, friends, I will say that deal with them with little care. The reason being that their movement is very fast, number one, and they will not take a quantum jump in the price. The reason is these banks, they give highly, I call it, the dividend yield is very high, therefore the price always gets compromised. Government banks, actually government wants to run the country, therefore they will take all the money from the bank in the form of dividend and give to the shareholders also. NBFC Poonawalla has given a fantastic performance. You see here YOY operating profit. It has done very well. I think this is now the 9th quarter it is doing very well. I am very sure that if you buy this stock somewhere around 290, then you can conveniently make 50% or so in next 3-4 months time. Even if you see the profit margin YOY from 20% to this quarter, it has gone to 29%. Friends, what else do you want? Now we come to a very, very interesting situation. These two SCB, Balaji Finance and Balaji Finserv, Bajaj Finance and Finserv, they have not declared their results. I will add them later on. And now this is actually the rating. So whether you want to do intraday trade, you want to do swing trade, or you want to select the stocks for the investment, friends, you can always do that. Previously what we had done was that we had given these three companies only, fine, and now this week we are adding banks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means 8 banks we have added. In that, IndusInd Bank and small bank, I really don't, this is okay, but IndusInd actually should be avoided at present, fine, and so is even this RBL Bank also. Very risky, they are really, really volatile. only if somebody is very, what I say is skilled trader, then only he should take it. Why I am saying skilled. There are two things, friends. One thing is, that it is said that an idiot, can win a war if he has planned, and a genius can lose a war if he is unplanned. So basically is you plan yourself very well, stay with the moving average of 2 on weekly charts. I think that will be a good option to trade in RBL Bank. Then it is with all the banks for that matter, fine, and even with this Punjab and Sindh Bank also you can trade accordingly. There will be no issues on that. So friends, that is my presentation at present, and I will say that if you like the video and if you are just following up with the list of the stocks which are in our which we are taking for next quarter, that means swing trading, intraday trading, up to Q4 results we can conveniently do on these stocks. The results have come so far, and please join me in another about 4-5 days time when we will upgrade this list further as the results come, fine. So thank you very much, friends, and have a nice day.